Hello, and today we're going to talk about bioethics, and I'm going to give you an example about what bioethics means or what it is. And I choose a topic from bioethics, and it's health or medical health. Why did I choose that? Because in Colombia, the country where I live, we have a really good health system. We have 100% coverage of the country. But although it's a good system in coverage, and you can have your you can go to a doctor and have surgery, and the HMO or EPS in Colombia are called EPS, which is Health Promoted Enterprises. You pay a monthly, let's say, monthly fee from your salary, and this is by law. Every time you're working, a company has to take 12% of your salary, or 6%. You pay the other 6% out of your salary. And if you're an independent worker, you can also pay for your health insurance. So we can say it's a really good system. But on the other hand, we can have the coverage. The problem is that it takes sometimes too long to go to a doctor and be attended by a doctor. And actually, the first doctor that is going to see you is a general doctor. It's not a specialized doctor. For example, if you need to go something with your problem in your eye, you have to go to a general doctor, so he can send you to an ophthalmologist, which is the doctor who specializes on eyes, and that takes time. Sometimes appointments takes months, 1 2 months, and the diagnosis may change a lot from 1 month to another month. So that's the problem. As experience, I had experience. I remember that I had to do a surgery on my brain, and okay, I mean, everything was covered, everything was done really good, fine. But my doctor who did the surgery was in another city. Then when I had to go to the medical control with him, because he was the one who did surgery on me, the HMO wanted to, they didn't want to spend the money for send me to another city. So they wanted to a doctor from where I live to take a look at me. But that's not the same doctor who performed surgery on me. So, I mean, he has all my medical history, and he knows what I had, and why do I have to go to a new doctor to tell him my story and start all over again? So in that process it's a problem with bioethics there. We don't belong anymore to the doctors as patients. We are patients from the HMO or the EPS, what we call here. And they decide when we should go and who doctor is going to attend our needs. And I think that should be, fixed. What suggestion should I give? Well, I think HMO needs more control. The problem is that where money is handled could be a lot of corruptions, and that could be a real problem. Otherwise, it's a really good system. It's a really, really good system. The problem is they have too much power. They can do anything they want with their patients, and they have no control at all. There's not an entity that can go and supervise these HMOs in Colombia. So this is bioethics, I hope you get a message clear, and I see you later on. Bye.